Learn to Code Java tutorials. So today in this class we will learn how to take user take input from the user. So let's see. Let's start by creating a new class and give it the class name as user input. Okay, so let's remove all this. First of all, I'll start by importing the packages. Import java.io.star, import java.util.star. Now I will run public static void main string args. Now let's take a string name as name. Then we can do the scanner sc. We are creating an object, new scanner. Here we'll pass system.in. Now we will do name. Okay, let's system.out.println. Enter your name. Now we can do name equals sc.next int. It will catch the user input. Now we'll display it. Sorry, sc.next int for all the integer or the numerical values. Now we'll print it. Hi. So this is a very small code that will represent that user will provide input and it will display the output. Now let's compile it. So class has been compiled, no syntax errors found. Now let's close this. Now go to void main. Now run it. So let's provide an input. So enter your name. So let's add Sampath. So hi Sampath, nice to meet you. So this is a very basic example and we will continue to take user input from our next programming classes. Thanks everyone.